Oh! Hey, buddy, back up.
Hey, hold on. Hey. Hold on. Oh! There he is. It's a rat snake. Wait a minute, we grabbed it. He's calm. Where do you want to put him? Figured we just let him loose in the woods there.
You caught him a lot faster than we did.
Yeah.
So
he was slippery.
I just slipping through our rakes and everything.
Oh, you're using rakes?
Yeah.
Rakes, shovels, anything we can get a hold of. Alright, so if you're doing crawl space work, you may run across a snake. Okay? Don't ever try to grab their head, because they will bite you if you look at that other video. One bit me. This one's a little smaller, but let's go put him away. Stay down, stay down. Alright, where you gonna put him?
Over there.
Over here?
Or... Oh, yeah, he'll like it back there.